Okay, I want you to see this like right away. Are you that person? Are you that person that doesn't like your food touching?
Yes.
My nephew, Duke, God forbid something touch.
Don't even.
Like
don't
the meal is ruined.
Run in there.
But look at this. Maybe you want to do a little charcuterie plate for yourself. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 beautiful compartments. You get a set of 2 of these for 3 payments of $8.71. Now, coming back over here with me, you're gonna see all the different ways that you'll use this, because whether it's a big pasta dinner, maybe it's, I mean, for me, it's this.
This is the barbecue, right? This is exactly why it was created. Your hot dogs, 2 of them, by the way. Your beans, your sauerkraut, your mustard, everything. We pay for paper plates that look like this. I love this idea.
I love this too.
Right? Everybody has, this could be just bagels. We did waffles. You could have Jimmy the Baker, you know, cinnamon bun, anything that you want, but we did them in great colors.
Steaks,
you're getting the set of
desserts,
2. Yeah, dinners, desserts, side dishes.
3 payments of $8.71. H423-397 is your item number. Okay, here you're gonna see the sets, right? So we've got it for you in the doodle-doo. I'm just gonna move these back here so that you guys can see them. There's your doodle-doo, 200 to go around in the doodle-doo. And remember, you get the set of 2. This one is your patriotic, 250 in the patriotic. This one is your, I know, all
How
of flutter.
Beautiful, all of flutter. So pick up those food tents. You could, isn't it beautiful? It's like a stencil sketch with all of those pops of colors. And it's a true white that you see there in the stoneware.
How many to go around? 120.
Wow. Oof, love.
Palms, ooh.
Yes, carved. And then do you see how they have a matte finish right around the rim? The palms themselves are matte also.
How many to go around? 200 in the palms. This one is your garden. 250 in the garden to go around. Look at that.
I love these.
Oh, I love how you put each critter in its own compartment.
Each one has its own.
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
Then we have over here our classics. There is your navy blue in the classic, 550. There's your red. Remember, you'll get 2, 450. And then there it is in the black. 250. H423-397 is your item number. Keeps cold foods cold longer. I love this, especially for like charcuterie and like crudité.
Yes. And I love what you were saying, right? Steaks. This is a full meal and everything's not touching. This is a beautiful steak sitting on top of beautiful cut French fries. You have your veg, you have your horseradish for the steak, and then of course you have
like
your
a
little
sauce.
Yeah, like a little dipping sauce. This is dinner for 2. This is lunch for 2. This is how you display your charcuterie if you wanted to. I love the snacks that you can put out. Like this is really fun. So they're divided plates that you're gonna wanna use. You guys loved our dinner trays. This divided plate, you can buy these in paper and then we throw them out season after season. Why not pick them up in stoneware and know that you can use these in your oven, in your microwave, in your fridge, freezer, and your dishwasher.
And you know who loves this? Like the kids love them, the grandkids love them.
Sure.
But I also think like the adults love them because it's great portion control too, Tara.
It's a great
lot of people like pay money for plastic versions of these that teach you how to have your portions.
Exactly. Like put your protein in here, put your veg in there, put your fruit in here. It's a great call. But I love the ability of having nothing touch. I am one of those people.
Yeah.
Nothing touch, and that you have that portion control. And they're going to stack. So if you're picking up more than a set of 2, maybe you want a set of 4 or a set of 6, everything will stack just like your dinner plates.
I've got 500 people on the phone lines. Everybody's picking up more than one set. It makes a lot of sense because maybe you want 4 or 6 or 8 of these in your home. Here are your color choices. In the classics, we have black, 200, red, 500. There's your blue, 500. If you want garden, 200 to go around in the garden. If you want the palm, 150. If you want olive flutter, oh my gosh, we're last call. Okay, if you want patriotic, 200. And if you want the doodle in the red, only 150 to go around in that. H423-397 is your item number.
Fastest hour on the planet, my friend. Oh, and the apron's also available. It's got a little removable towel and a pocket.
Oh, and a pocket.
And it's adjustable around the back and around the neck. I
Are
think we only have 2 colors
again
left.
throughout the day today?
I will be back with In the Kitchen with David tonight.
Okay, wonderful.
Yes.
Tara, I love you, my friend. Thank you so much.
I love you too. Thank you, everybody.
Follow her on social media. Tara Tesher for Temp-tations.
Yep, and also Tara Temp-tations on Instagram.
Okay, wonderful. Don't go anywhere. We've got to look at our Today's Special Value coming up next with Jane Brown and a whole hour of KitchenAid. I'll see you at 3 o'clock for Gourmet Holiday. See you soon.